overhead cam motors with a obviously a timing chain that comes up, goes over the camshafts to stop them falling into the actual crank area down in the motor, using a piece of wire there. But to turn the motor over, sometimes the chains can jam up down in the crank area. So I've made this little bracket here, bolts up to the actual head itself, and then this is literally a screw and a washer, and then like a little nylon washer that spins around. So what you can do there is, if I can just link this chain here, you can link the chain over, and once it's bolted into place, you can then turn the motor over, because that chain will not jam now. You can turn the motor over to check top dead center and check the bores and stuff like that, if that's what you're trying to do with the engine. So this is just a quick little hack for overhead cam engines to be able to allow the chain to freely move around forwards or backwards when you're turning the crank over.